Hi everyone, it's Joey. Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'm so excited because we'll finally be doing our makeup. Honestly, since the start of the quarantine, I never really bothered to do my makeup. The only time I put on a bit of concealer and blush is whenever I post a TikTok, but that's really it. But recently, I've been seeing a lot of pretty girls on Instagram. They've been sharing their looks and the products that they've used. And the recent 6/6 sale made me purchase those products myself. And a few days ago, I decided to try it out, post a look on Instagram, and a lot of you guys really liked it. So I wanted to share a tutorial with you guys on how I did that look. And if you guys stay tuned until the end, I will be doing a giveaway because I love giving back to you guys in any way I can. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I've already done my skincare off cam. The product that I'm gonna show you guys is supposed to be a part of your skincare, but I don't really consider it a part of mine since I only use it every time I do my makeup. But I really want to apply it on cam so you guys can see the effect that it has on my face, because honestly, it's life-changing for me, and thank God I discovered this product. So this one is from Glossier. This is their Futuredew oil serum hybrid, and this is supposed to be the last step to your skincare routine, and I'll show you why. The one pump is honestly all you need. Look at that. It looks oily, but once it settles in, it will give you the best glow you will ever need. This is literally glass skin right here. And all you need is this little product. The pencil that I'll be using is from MadeCos in the shade dark brown. I really love this. This is my second purchase already. And I like how it looks on my brows. I love it. And the second part of my eyebrow routine is also from MadeCos. This is their what's it called, brow made product, and it's basically a brow gel, but I don't even know if it's still a gel because it melted and it doesn't have the same consistency it did the first time I bought it. So we'll still try it out now. If it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna do my eyebrows again. No, it works. It still works. Okay, so I only take like the littlest amount of product because a little goes a long way. Oh my gosh, bine-blend in ko na yung concealer ko. Hindi ko man lang sinabi sa inyo na concealer time na. Okay, the next step is concealer. And yes, you guys heard that right. Hindi ako nagfa-foundation. I only really use foundation during events, and I don't really go to that much events. So basically, I don't use foundation at all. All of my foundations I've actually thrown out because they are expired already. And the reason for that is I think because I really like my skin already. But I don't shame you guys kung gumagamit kayo ng foundation because it's what works for your skin, and it's what works for you. And if that's what you like, then do what you like, honestly. Just what works for me, and if foundation works for you, then you do it. Okay, so now to bring back some color into our face, we're gonna do blush. And I just want to share with you guys, this is my most recent beauty purchase, and actually my first ever Colourette purchase. I did it nung 6/6 kasi sale sila, so I decided to buy 7 Colourtints, and this is one of my favorites for blush. Yes, I've swatched them all, and ito yung most favorite ko for blush. This is in the shade Ava, and it just gives you that yung fresh lang na look, pero it's buildable. So if you want na pack, pwede naman siya. So I just put 2 swipes on my cheek, and then I blend it out with a brush. And then I blend it upwards just to give your face that illusion na para siyang naka-facelift, pero hindi. As you guys can see, it's super subtle, super sheer, but you know that it's there. For my nose, with the Sleek palette. I've had this for a while now actually, but I recently just started using it. This is the Face Form Contouring and Blush palette. So we're gonna go in with the littlest amount because, to be honest with you guys, I really don't know how to contour my nose. I just watched some YouTube videos about it, but I really don't know how to do it. So this is just my method. This is what has worked for me. If you guys have any tips, comment them down below. But I basically just follow like the light on my face. So you guys can see, diba, ito yung nagpa-pop, ito yung glowing. So it means that's the highest point of my nose. Wow, highest point. Tangosh. Joke. So it means that this is the highest point of my nose. So you guys can see yung dark parts. Dun dapat kayo nagko-contour. Okay, so next, diba ito yung ginamit natin pang contour ng nose. This is also what we're gonna use to give some depth into our eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with the same shade and parang i-warm up ko yung eyes ko a little bit. Okay, so after we've warmed up our eyes, we're going to brighten it naman with this one, the highlighting part of the palette. And you're just gonna focus it on this half. You don't want to bring it out there because then mawawala yung depth effect na kakagawa lang natin with a contour shade. Sorry, medyo nahirapan ako. I'm gonna do it with the other finger. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, I stan the Shuamura eyelash curler. Why do I keep forgetting what it's called? Okay, so next is mascara. The mascara that I use is the Innisfree Skinny Micro Cara. The reason why it's called that is because the brush is literally so skinny. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you start from the base, wiggle up. Base, wiggle up. Okay, so after you do your mascara, this is totally optional, but I'm doing this because it's part of the look that I did. But I put in some falsies, and this is the one that I used. Red Cherry eyelashes in the style number 43, Stevie or Stevie. I don't know how you pronounce it. But anyways, this was actually like a whole strip of lashes. I decided to cut it out into individual pieces and just keep like the shorter end. Then it goes longer. And then this is the one that goes dun sa edge ng eyelashes ko, the longer one. So, okay, so we're almost done. Next step is highlight. This is the highlighter palette that I use. This is called ThinLizzy. It's actually a New Zealand brand, if I'm not mistaken. So I actually mixed these two shades. This is Pearl and Rose Gold. I mixed those two shades together, and then I just pop it in the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so whatever's left in the brush, I'm not gonna re-dip it anymore so that it's more subtle. But yeah, I'm just gonna highlight my nose, and then I'm gonna re-dip a little bit and highlight the Cupid's bow. Ooh, we fresh, we glowing. Okay, next, re-dip. And okay, last but not the least, we're gonna do lips. And honestly, I've been looking since kanina pa, and the shade that I used isn't here. I used the shade Bella for my lips, but I can't find it, so we're just gonna use my favorite shade ever. This is Gigi. I really love how this looks, so we're just gonna use this instead. Not that I'm complaining or anything, because it is really my favorite. Okay, so So, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed how this video turned out. I hope you guys like how the look turned out. I personally really love it. If you guys couldn't already tell by the video, I love that my face is glowing and highlighted all the time. And yeah, I hope you guys like it as well. Anyways, reason why you guys are all here for the giveaway. So first and foremost, the giveaway is not sponsored by Colourette. I know I told you guys that I just bought my first ever Colourette products last 6/6 because of the sale, but I've already been following their Instagram way before that, and I've also been eyeing their products beforehand. Also, every time I would enter an SM department store, I would always be so tempted to buy one, but I don't know why I never did. But I'm happy that I finally got to try it out, and I'm happy that I now understand what all the hype is about. Honestly, the people that I told you guys about, the Instagram girls that I've been seeing, they honestly all recommend Colourette, and not only because they're sponsored by them or they're brand ambassadors, but because the product is actually really good. If you guys haven't heard of Colourette before, they're basically a local brand, Philippine-based. And they have a bunch of advocacies, and I really like everything that they stand for. I love how they are as a brand. You guys know from a lot of my vlogs that I'm an advocate for inclusivity also. I'm a part of an organization in my school that promotes inclusivity, specifically for people who have intellectual developmental disabilities. Based off of my observation, this isn't like their statement or anything, this is just what I observe from them, but I think that the inclusivity that they're focusing on is more on like gender equality, that anyone and everyone can wear makeup no matter what your gender is. So with that being said, I will be giving away 2 color tints of your choice. No, I won't be giving away the ones that I have right now. These are my babies and I intend to keep them until they last. But how this is gonna work is you're gonna pause this video and you're gonna read the giveaway guidelines in the description below. So after you guys have read and followed all of the guidelines, there's a date there that indicates the last day of the giveaway. The day after that, I'm gonna be choosing a random winner. I'm gonna message you and ask you which of the available shades in Lazada do you want. I say available because a lot of their shades are out of stock, so whatever's available there, you're gonna choose from there. I'm gonna purchase it and have it sent to you guys to your house. So yeah, that's basically how the giveaway will work. So that concludes the end of this video. If you guys liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below all of the other video suggestions that you have for me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is just at Joella Laurito. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!